which is written, ए मन केतड़ियां जुग परमिया आखो सतनाम. This is how our mind wanders around. Our mind wanders around. So आज इतनी गल समझना समय हो गया कि God is within you. Try to understand God through His expression, which has been sent by God Himself for all of us to be with Him and to recognize Him within ourselves and within each one of this earth. So this is Sikhi. This is what for we have come here. This is what for this big institution has been created. This is what for the Guru Granth Sahib has been placed here. बस जितना थानू प्रसादा मिलता है, लंगर मिलता है, ये रब आप जगा रहे हैं सारे विचों सारे विचों आखो सतनाम. है ना? कोई भी बंदा इतने क्लेम नहीं कर सकता कि मैं लंगर चलाना जी. है ना? कोई भी क्लेम नहीं कर सकता. किसी ने क्लेम नहीं करना चाहिए. हर बंदे ने दान देते हुए कहना है मान के तेरा देता तू आप देता है. आखो सतनाम. आप देता है. जितने शब्द प्रवान करें. Learn to be calm. Learn to be how to be liberated during your living. Whenever you read this Bani, read to the one who's giving you the voice impact. Practice it every day, so that the mind should come to a conclusion that what all is being done through this body is being done by the one who's there within you, to whom you were praising, and in fact he was making us praise to his own self, to his God, to our God. आप जपाए जपे सुना, आप गवाए सुहार करो. This is Sikhi. बस इतने शब्द बात है. सारी संगत का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.